wish na ako. Ready? Okay. Oh, yay! Happy birthday to you.
Maybe we should have.
Yeah, she ripped it right in the middle.
Yeah, so she took a piece.
And then she just placed it. Alright, we did. Probably should have got more to look cool, but it's okay.
I was gonna say. I was like, maybe we should have asked for more trial and error. But. After this video, I'm just gonna be like.
Yeah, same amount. I look all mad.
Oh, cute. Yeah. Okay, purr.
Okay. Wait. Focus. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh my god. Did it go on?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Is it cute? You don't need a tripod.
Wait, it looks so good.
No, is it cute?
Oh yeah, it looks so good. Oh, that was it? Watermelon for sure. Those are like this. Or different. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's so cute. Wait, the colors. It just looks so pretty together. I love this. This
Wait,
is my
does it
favorite.
work well?
I really like this. It like really makes your skin like glowy. Like when you put it on, it's really nice. Ooh, a candle. Cute. Wait, really? I love candles. Even like with all this, you planned it out.
I'll give you my first juicer recipe. I've always wanted to juice.
When I saw it, it was so pretty. Like now you can do stuff for the gym. Now you're gonna think of me every day.
Yeah, it's because I literally always buy the mini like wellness shots from Trader Joe's, and I was like, it's a little too pricey, so I'm so excited for this.
Okay, green. I think your favorite color is like sage green.
Yeah, I do like this much green.
Okay.
I think
I need to get a new pack. I don't even want to say it.
Good morning, guys. It is my birthday today, and I know I'm speaking very weird because I can't even take myself seriously right now. But I have a really big kinky sore on my tongue, guys. Like, and that's why I'm speaking a little weird today. Like, I can't, it hurts to swallow, and it, like, whenever I talk, it rubs on my teeth, or like on my right side of my mouth, and it hurts so bad. But anyways, we are starting off the day strong and productive. I went to my Pilates this morning, which was a killer workout. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, look at my armpit. It's literally sweating right now. And then I got notifications from Starbucks, and it says that I have a free birthday reward to claim. I can either get a free drink or a free snack. So I went to claim it, and they're also giving away a sample of a new flavor. This is what it's called. And she gave me the third one. It's actually really, really good. And this is coming from someone who don't drink coffee. It's gonna be hard for me to like eat this, but this was actually really, really good. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I'm gonna journal, reflect the last 27 years, 26 years of my life, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Two shoes all at once. You guys, these bags are literally amazing. I own so many of them.
We don't take a small bag.
I got water. National Best Friends Day and happy birthday. I'm so used to it. We just took our Myers-Briggs test.
Yes, we did.
Did you get yours put on?
Fine, forget it.
I don't know. I got console, and she got defender.
Yep. Don't mind the mess. I'm currently rearranging my desk slash drawer little area. I don't know if you guys remember, I don't know if I really showed this area of my room before, but before I had my table, which is like this long one, a little bit more to the left, basically aligning with my bed, and then I have a marble table stand. It was like a super thin one. I recently just got the Alex drawer from IKEA, and this has been on my list literally since like I started my YouTube channel. I need the extra space and storage for my makeup that I've been collecting from like PRs or things that I bought, and I'm just like running out. Also, shout out to my parents for buying this beautiful flower. It's still so gorgeous, and it's been like 3 days now and she's still blooming. And then I also bought these dividers. I got 2 of these, and then this little container here for me to put and organize my makeup. Like, it fits perfectly. There is a little bit of space, but I mean, I don't really care. I am now going to organize all of these makeup into my Alex drawer, and I know some of you guys are like, maybe you should just keep it in a box, but I literally cannot stand the look of multiple boxes in a corner in my room anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and organize them.
And